Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Peugeot 308 in the active specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, has rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this, there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or just arranging an appointment to come and view the vehicle. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.